0.5% or so. Thanks very much, Mr. Kapoor. Good afternoon. Could you break up the loss of 32 crores that you've reported? I mean, it's come off from almost 50 the last quarter, but could you give us some color?
Yes, it has come down from almost about 50 crores to 32 crores. But out of that, 14 crores is due to the forex itself. And rest of course, the operating stuff is going on.
14?
So we're substantially improving as far as the bottom line is concerned.
14 crore forex loss. Were there any one-time depreciation costs this time in the quarter?
See, we've changed the depreciation. In fact, the rental revenue which comes up, that has been shifted from the 3-year apportionment to 5-year apportionment. So that's why the overall revenue is also almost stagnant.
Could you just explain that?
If you look at the EBITDA, which was 144 crores earlier, it has moved on to 155 crores now, so which is sequentially growing quarter on quarter, and it is of now against 27%, so there's improvement on all fronts.
Yeah. Could you run us through what was the growth in subscription revenue, sequential?
Yeah, the subscription revenue last quarter was about 433 crores. And this quarter it has been 455 crores.
455 crores.
That's right.
Okay.
So 433 crores to 455 crores, that is the movement sequentially as far as the subscription revenue is concerned.
Right. Okay. I mean, so that's basically improved a little bit compared to the rate last quarter, right? Last quarter the growth was 1.5% or so.
That's right.
Yeah.
There has also been improvement on the ARPU front. We moved from 151 to 156. So that's a substantial jump. If you see quarter on quarter, we were always ranging around 150, 151, 152. Now we moved from 151 to 156 straight away.
Yeah.
So there is improvement on the ARPU front as well.
What was the gross subscriber addition number, sir, this quarter?
Around 5,04,000.
5 lakh.
Mr. Kapoor, could you also throw some more light?
Which you compare with the last quarter, it was almost 4,10,000. So there is improvement in the subscriber number addition as well as quarter on quarter basis.
You said that's 5.5 lakh from 4.2.
No, I said 5.04 lakhs.
5.04.
5 lakh.
Okay.
Yeah,
got that.
Right. Mr. Kapoor, could you highlight for us a little bit more in terms of expenses this quarter, selling distribution expenses this time around? They've gone up. Overall finance costs also quarter on quarter seem to have gone up a bit.
See, the selling and distribution expenses have gone up slightly, and that is mostly because you run schemes with the trade schemes for subscriber acquisition, but there is no substantial jump in that.
Could you highlight for us this EBITDA margin that you've clocked in of closer to 30% this time around? Was a positive surprise, but is that sustainable over the next few quarters?
Yes, that is sustainable, and we are looking at a little improvement over that as well. If you're aware, we've recently hiked the prices across all our packs. So approximately 10-15 rupees kind of a hike. In some of the packs, up to 20% also hike in the packs. This has been done recently in beginning of July. So this will reflect in this quarter partly and maybe in the next quarter as well. It takes time, over the period of time it comes up, and it shows in the increase in EBITDA. So answering your question, yes, it is not only sustainable, but also we will see some improvement in the coming quarters.
So so let's just take that forward. The environment, the macro environment is pretty weak. One would imagine that people want to look for cheaper options, right? Not just DTH services, but pretty much everything across the board. Wouldn't people, isn't that something that you're concerned about over the next couple of months?
The macro environment, see, the option of watching TV, if you look at it, is a good alternate a good alternative to going out to watch a movie. So families which spend about more than 1,000 rupees or 1,500 rupees on watching a movie on an outing might cut down on that and might sit at home and watch TV. This is a much cheaper alternative. So
yeah,
I don't think we will get affected so much on that part.
Yeah, if you know, when you put it that way, it makes sense. What was the?
Yeah, no, it is clearly an alternative to going out and watching a movie in the theater versus watching a movie maybe after a week on movie on demand on our platform, or watching some movies which come for free on TV any which ways. Okay. So it's a cheaper alternative, so it's more sustainable, and I don't think it is going to be as volatile as other more expensive means of entertainment.
Got that. Thanks very much, Salil. Good luck. Appreciate you joining in.
Thank you so much.
That's